Hi everybody, in this last video in this series, we're going to look at how we take responses to things that have happened within inside our environment. And in this case, we're going to respond to this user, test user, who is sending too many emails. We've got it set super low, but in your environment, you can say, hey, if somebody sends more than 100 emails in an hour, what do we do? How do we respond? So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to fire off 3 emails and show you what happens. So here's what we're going to do. I'm just going to send off 3 emails to Paul at bornthecloud.net. I'm going to send the same response, and I'm just going to go .net and hit go. Okay, so right now, users after sending 3 emails, we can see them go out. We have a function that's looking to say, hey, if somebody sends more than 3 emails, go and fire an alert into the event grid. Obviously, in your environment, this would be like 100, but just for demo purposes, let's just pretend it's 3. Our function app is running right now to test how many mails flows, how many mails somebody sent. And as soon as it triggers and says, hey, there's too many mails, it's going to fire an event into our event grid. And once we see our event grid come up to a number of 1, we'll know that it's after reading. What we can just see is that an event has just been triggered at 9:51. You can see it's 9:52. And what that event is going to do, it just means, hey, someone's after sending too many email. Let's go and call a logic app. And the logic app is going to automate the email send. What you can see in our logic app is that it's currently running, just started at 9:50. You can see when the event came in. And what's happening in the logic app is that we're going and we're finding out, hey, we're doing some span check from the function, and then we're going to send this approver email. And so we're going to get the parameters from there. We're going to get the user's, user principal name. We're going to run our spam check. We're going to get the user, parse the token, and then we're going to go and offer to disable the mailbox. We're going to connect to the Twilio service and send a text. And we're going to stop this user's ability to send email. The logic app is going to send an email. Now, we've customized the logic app to offer a number of actions, but like just imagine you're security officer, you're somebody who doesn't have permission to Office 365. This runs on the service principle. So you get this email, and from your iPhone or your Android, you can just go and hit disable mailbox. What that's going to do is that's going to yank the person's Office 365 license, their Exchange license, out of the Office 365 suite, and they just won't be able to send or receive email while we deal with the problem. If I go into test user and I go into their product suite and I expand it down, you can see inside EMS or Office 365 that I have my Exchange Online Part 2, Plan 2, and this is allowing me to send and receive email. So what we are going to do is we are going to get in to our logic app, and we're going to say, hey, disable their user's mailbox. And boom, that's just gone and disabled the mailbox. Now, if I just go back and look at the user, they've just had Exchange Online Plan 2. If I go back and I look at test user, you can see that my Outlook icon is gone, losing my ability to get in and log into the service. And then lastly, I'm just after getting a message on my phone. I just sent a copy of it to PK at Seraform, but essentially, I just got this mail. Well, that's pretty small, isn't it? I just got this to say, let's go full screen, to say, dear test user, we detected suspicious activity from your email. Following the norms, your access has been disabled. Okay, so that user has just lost the ability to send and receive email while you guys go and deal with it. Now, just say it turns out, oh my God, you shouldn't have done that. That was a really big problem. You know, the user gets on to you, no, it is me, I'm sending 100 emails, you know, I haven't been hacked. Well, the last thing that we do as part of the process is we say, you know, hey, PK, you know, you're just after disabling this. You're authorized to roll this action back immediately. You know, hey, do you want to go roll it back? You say, yeah, hey, my God, I need to go and roll this back. And you just say approve, and boom, it's been rolled back. And, you know, what does this look like in real time? Sorry, I have so many portals open. Well, if I close that and I open it again and I expand E3, you can see with, you know, no tricks up my sleeve, there is Exchange Online Plan 2 re-enabled for the user. And if we go back to the portal and we just hit refresh, I get Outlook back again. Simple as that. So what you're after seeing is us performing a test in Office 365. The test being bad, like, you know, users switched off MFA, they're sending too many emails, they've got a mail folder set up, and you get this approver email. And the approver email allows you to take action on the spot from your phone, boom, and just, you know, take action. And the user receiving the email needs no permission on Office 365. This is all run through the service principal. This is just awesome. So this is the last video in the little series explaining how our Office 365 Insights works. If you'd love a demo, if you'd love to talk to us, we would like to talk to you. We can customize this. We can help you build on different things. We can help you, you know, load a ticket into ServiceNow. You name it, we can extend it for you. Make contact with us, paul@borninthecloud.com, and we'll be happy to go and do a demo and install it and build it for you. Thanks for watching.